good. I love sushi. Yum, yum. I love sushi. It's delicious. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. This is the best sushi I ever had. Oh, I love it. I love Florida sushi. Oh, I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Delicious. Delicious. Oh, is that good? Oh, let me get the eyeball. Let me get all the eyeballs. Delicious. Oh, it's good. Good. I love it. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Good. Good. Oh, yeah. Good. I can eat it all up. Yum, yum, eat them up. Oh, yeah. Is it good? Yum, yum, eat them up. Yum, yum. Yum. What a great meal.
Hey, how about sharing some of that fish with me? Huh?
Eat your own fish.
Please, can I have a bite? I haven't eaten all week. Yeah, just like you to be selfish, you big ugly cock. Can I please have a bite of your fish? Please? Please, I'll go fishing for you in the morning. I'll gladly pay you tomorrow for a fish today. Please let me have a bite of your fish. I hope you choke on it, you big ugly bird.
It's stuck in my throat. The fish is stuck in my throat. You wished it on me. The fish is stuck in my throat.
Yeah, good for you. That's what you get for not sharing. Remember, sharing is caring, you big ugly bird.
I gotta put it down. Let's see. I'll walk it off. Yeah, I'll walk it off. Oh, yeah, yeah. Oh, look at it. It's in my throat. It's agita. I got agita from this fish. You wished it on me.
Oh, yes, I did wish it on you. You selfish, ugly bird.
Oh, I gotta walk it off. 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 Up there it goes. It's still in my throat. I gotta walk it off. Gotta walk it off. Walk it off. Gotta walk it off. What? Hey, you out there. What are you looking at? Huh? Ain't you never seen a bird before? Huh? What are you looking at? Stop staring me down. Alright. It tastes like chicken. Chicken of the sea. Oh.